Claude AI just dropped a wave of new features that are creating business opportunities I've never seen before. We're talking brand new creative connectors for Adobe, a built-in design tool, and an automation system that can run your entire business from your desktop. And I'm going to show you exactly how beginners are using brand new Claude AI features to start real businesses and generate real income right now. And I know what I'm talking about because I run a social media marketing agency, and over the last 6 months, we generated over $2.6 million in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick just so you can see this is legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is, over $2.6 million in revenue, and we have roughly 350 active clients. Now let's get into business idea number 1, AI social media marketing. All right, so the first business idea is the one I know best because it's exactly what we do. You start an AI social media marketing agency using Claude to create all the content. Here's how it works. You find local businesses that have a great reputation but a weak social media presence, and there are millions of them. Go to Google Maps right now and search for any service-based industry, plumbers, dentists, landscapers, whatever. Sort by highest rated. Then check their Instagram or Facebook. If they have no social media presence at all, less than 500 followers, or their posting is very inconsistent, that's your potential client. I can find 10 of these businesses in any city in about 15 minutes. Then you use a platform like High Level, which has a built-in feature called Ask AI that's powered by Claude. You type in a simple prompt, paste in the business website, and Claude creates all their social media content for you. Multiple graphics, captions, hashtags, everything. You can create a full month of content in about 10 to 15 minutes. I actually have a video where I created 33 social media posts for a real business using this exact feature. I'll link that at the end of this video and in the description below if you want to check it out after you finish this one. For pricing, you can charge something like $500 a month per client. When it comes to service, everything is handled through email and support tickets, no one-on-one meetings. That's what makes this scalable. And because Claude is doing the heavy lifting, you're only spending about 45 minutes per client per month on the full workflow. That includes creating the content, reviewing it, scheduling it, and handling any support requests. The reason this works so well is because the business owner can see the result. They open their phone and they see professional content going out every day with their branding on it. Their customers see it, their friends see it, and that visibility is what keeps them paying month after month. We have clients that have been with us for 5, 7, even 10 years. And here's the best part. You don't need to mention anything about AI creating the content. The client just sees great posts showing up on their pages. That's all they care about. And the posts also help the business rank on search engines, including AI platforms like Gemini, which is a huge selling point right now. By the way, High Level is the platform we use to manage our agency and all our clients. If you haven't tested it out before, you have to try it using the link in the description below. And if you use my link, you'll also get access to my full AI business blueprint course for free. Business idea number 2, AI video editing services. All right, so the second business idea is one that just became possible a few weeks ago. Claude launched 9 brand new creative connectors, including Adobe, Canva, Figma, and more. And with the Adobe connector specifically, Claude now has access to over 50 tools from Premiere, Photoshop, Illustrator, and Firefly, all inside one chat window. Here's why this matters. Video editing has always been one of those skills that takes years to learn. You had to know Premiere Pro inside and out. You had to understand color grading, transitions, pacing, audio levels, all of it. But now Claude can help you do all of that from simple prompts. You describe what you want and Claude works with these professional tools to create it. Cut this clip here, add a zoom transition, color correct this footage to match a warm tone, generate a thumbnail with this text. All of that is possible now through conversation. The business idea is offering AI-powered video editing services to content creators, small businesses, and marketing agencies. Everybody needs video content right now, but most people hate the editing process. That's the bottleneck you're solving. Think about how many small business owners are recording content on their phone, but never posting it because they don't know how to edit. Or think about YouTubers and podcasters who are spending 5 to 10 hours a week on editing when they should be creating. You come in and solve that problem for them. And these connectors are available on every Claude plan, including the free one. So you can start testing this today without paying anything. I'm actually exploring AI video editing for my own channel right now and curious if anyone would want to learn about this more. So make sure you like and subscribe if you'd be interested in seeing a video on that as I continue testing. Business idea number 3, AI course creation for small businesses. The third business idea is one that most people haven't even thought of yet. You create online courses for small businesses using AI. Here's what I mean. Think about a dentist who could benefit from having a course teaching patients about Invisalign, how it works, what to expect, and why they should choose that practice. Or think about a personal injury attorney who could benefit from having a course explaining what to do if you're injured in a car accident. These courses act as amazing free lead magnets or small upsells to their existing audience. The business looks like an expert, the customer gets educated, and when a need arises, the leads start flowing in. Here's how you create them. You would use Claude to write the entire script for each lesson. Then you use Claude to create the presentation slides. Then you use an AI avatar tool like HeyGen to record the business owner or a professional presenter delivering the content. Here's a quick example of one of my AI course videos. In Module 2, I told you that AI video is the hottest foot in the door right now. In this lesson, I want to show you the different ways you can use it and how to actually get meetings with it. But first, let's talk about niches. Putting this all together just took a few minutes using Claude. And once you are done with creating the video, then you use High Level's membership feature to host all the courses. And here's the thing about High Level that makes this even better. Unlike other course platforms that charge you per course or per student, High Level lets you host unlimited courses under one flat fee. So whether you're building a course for 1 client or 20 clients, your cost doesn't go up. Now here's the real power of this idea. If you focus on one niche, you only have to create the course content one time. Then for each new client, you just swap out the branding, create a new AI avatar, and customize the details. You can have a fully branded course ready for a client in less than a week. Some people spend months creating courses, and I know because I've created courses manually that have taken forever to finish. But this system changes that completely. Plus, the pricing structure is simple. You charge something like a $500 one-time setup fee to build the course, and then $97 a month for hosting and maintenance. That's a price any one real business can afford, and that monthly fee adds up fast. And since the courses are already built, it's nearly passive. You build it once, and now you're just collecting checks every month while the course runs itself, which is also the case for business idea number 4, AI-powered websites. All right, so the fourth business idea is building AI-powered websites for small businesses. And this is another one you can do through High Level. Let me actually show you a real example right now. I went on Google Maps and searched for landscaping companies in Atlanta, and I found this business called Urban Element Landscapes. They have a 5-star rating, over 40 Google reviews, and a great reputation. But they have no website, none. So I went into High Level's AI Studio, which is powered by Claude, and I typed in one prompt. I told it to build a professional website for Urban Element Landscapes, and I included their Google Maps listing so it could pull all the business information. And watch what happened. AI Studio researched the business, pulled in their services, their location, their reviews, and then it generated an entire website from scratch. We're talking a full homepage with a hero section, a services breakdown for lawn mowing, sod installation, tree trimming, an about section that mentions the owner by name, a testimonial section with real customer reviews, and a full contact form that captures leads. The whole thing took minutes. The pricing structure is a $500 setup fee to build the website, plus $97 a month for hosting and maintenance. The setup fee covers your time customizing the site, connecting the domain, and making sure everything looks right. The monthly fee covers hosting, updates, and any small changes the client needs. And here's the thing. Most web designers charge $2,000 to $5,000 just to build a basic site. You're coming in at $500 because AI lets you do it in a fraction of the time. The client gets a better deal, and you still make great margins because your actual build time is maybe 2 to 3 hours. Every small business needs a website, and most of them either don't have one that looks like it was built in 2010, or are paying way too much for designers. That's your opportunity. You come in, build them a clean, modern website with AI in a fraction of the time, and then charge a monthly fee to keep it running. I like to position AI websites as an add-on or upsell for my social media marketing services. But sometimes we get leads with people who don't have websites at all, and that's an easy sell. Now, let's talk about something that's a little bit advanced but can make great money. Business idea number 5, AI business automation consultant. The fifth business idea is becoming an AI business automation consultant. This one is perfect for people who like solving problems and helping businesses run more efficiently. Here's what makes this possible right now. Claude has a feature called Cowork. It's a desktop tool that lets you connect Claude directly to your files, your apps, and your workflows. So instead of just chatting with AI and copying and pasting things back and forth, Claude can actually work with your tools. It can read spreadsheets, create documents, connect to platforms like Slack and Google Drive, and run tasks right from your computer. Cowork also has scheduled tasks and a new feature called routines that runs automations in the cloud. So the systems you build can run automatically even when nobody's at the computer. You set it up once and it just runs. Now on top of that, Claude's latest model, Opus 4.7, got a major boost in agentic financial analysis. I've used it a few times to create and review financial statements, and it is extremely accurate. So think about an accountant or bookkeeper who spends hours every week doing manual bookkeeping, reconciling accounts, and preparing reports. You can set up Claude through Cowork to automate a huge portion of that workflow. It can pull in the data, categorize transactions, generate reports, and have everything ready for review. Now, one important thing, you have to be careful not to give Claude any sensitive client information like social security numbers or bank account details. But for the actual analysis, categorization, and report generation work, it's a game changer. Setting up something like this for an accountant would save them hours every week. And when you save a business owner 10 hours a week, they will happily pay you every month for that. It's a no-brainer for them. And it's not just accountants. Insurance agencies, property managers, medical billing offices, any business that deals with repetitive financial or administrative tasks is a potential client. The pricing structure for this is custom depending on what you're helping a business automate. But I'd still structure it as a one-time setup fee to build the system and then a recurring monthly price for ongoing tasks and maintenance. The more complex the automation, the more you can charge. And once you build the system, your ongoing work is just monitoring and making improvements. That's what makes the recurring revenue so powerful here. You do the hard work once, and then you get paid every month to keep it running. Business idea number 6, start an AI-powered digital marketing agency. All right, so here's the last business idea. And this one is for the people who watched all of these ideas and still aren't sure which one to start with. You could bring a lot of this together and start an AI-powered digital marketing agency. That means you offer social media management, website design, video content, course creation, and automation services, all under one roof. You become the one-stop shop for small businesses that need help with their online presence. Now, as a beginner, you may not feel like you're an expert in any of these areas, and that's okay. The most important step as a beginner is to stop learning, stop trying to be perfect, and just go get a client. You're going to figure it out as you go. And here's the thing, AI is still new and evolving. Most business owners know that. So they're going to be patient with you as you develop their systems, especially if you're upfront about the process and you're delivering results along the way. At the same time, you don't need to offer everything on day one. Start with one service, maybe social media posts at $500 a month. Get a few clients, build your confidence, then add on websites, video content, and courses as you get better. Before you know it, you have a full service agency built on AI and you're running the whole thing yourself. And let me be real with you for a second. A year from now, AI is going to be even more powerful than it is today. The people who start building their client base now are going to have a massive advantage over everyone who waited. Because once you have 10, 20, 30 clients paying you monthly, it doesn't matter what new AI tool comes out. You already have the relationships, you already have the revenue, and you just plug in whatever new tool makes your work even easier. Now, coming up next, I have a video where I show you step by step how I created 33 social media posts for a real business in just 10 minutes using Claude AI. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.